So next we have our green peppers, and then we also have our smaller peppers here and our tomatoes that we've cut up. And we are going to demonstrate stuffed peppers for you guys.
So we're gonna do, we have a couple different ways. I'm gonna explain one that I normally do. Is this, we're gonna kind of layer it and make it a little bit easier, more fun. We're gonna put quinoa and some peppers and then some tomatoes, and this is all the stuff we got from POWWOW. Or another way that I've done it to make it more of a hearty, comfort, like winter meal kind of stuffed peppers is I would actually warm up, so I would parboil the stuffed peppers, so I'd just steam them for a little bit so it breaks it down really easily. And then I would put some kind of ground meat, so ground like turkey or chicken or even beef, and to mix that up and put some seasonings in it, and then saute some onions and peppers and tomatoes in with it, and then throw in quinoa, so kind of just mix it all together in this big kind of goulash thing. And then stuff it in the peppers and then stick it in the oven. But this is kind of more the lighter, springier time. So what we'll do is just put some quinoa in each of the peppers. I have a couple of them cut here. And actually, I'm gonna cut this other one. So I'm gonna put a little bit of quinoa in there, and this is the pepper. Got my knife. So what I would do is just cut the top of the pepper open. And just cut the inside out. Oh, and the seeds. So I just take that out. And just maybe take some of the membranes off, but that's it. And then just put that in here and we'll put some quinoa on it.
So these are really nice for kind of like a quick weeknight meal if you're needing something where you can kind of use up what's in your refrigerator. As you can see, we've used these kind of random vegetables that we have on hand from POWWOW, and we're combining them to make a really, really nice meal all together.
Peppers are so versatile. You can use them in so many different things. You can cut them up and put them in salsas. You can saute them up. You can add them to pretty much anything. And she has an amazing recipe that I can't wait to make as well.
Yeah, so I'll show you guys one thing that I like to do. And I think I have mentioned this on social media before, but I batch cook chili. And so my chili, instead of being like bean-based, it has a lot of peppers in it. So I'm gonna show you guys. It's a little bit hard to see here, but this chili has ground turkey. It has tomato paste for the base, because then I can control the sodium content or the salt that's added. And then
opposed to what? What other tomato stuff?
Yeah, so previously I had used tomato juice for my like chilies and soups and things like that, and that can be kind of a common ingredient that you might find in soups that you make. But if you use tomato paste or tomato sauce with just pureed tomatoes and just tomatoes as the only ingredient, then you can control how much salt you add to it, which is a good way to make sure that you're not getting a lot of sodium in what would otherwise be a really nutritious meal.
Ah, okay. Yeah, that makes sense. And I can't wait to try it. Super yummy. There's so many things you can do, and especially, by the way, we got way more than we need, even the two of us with our families. We will be making some and also giving it away. So hashtag POWWOW share is one thing that to kind of spread the wealth and give it to other people.
Yeah, thank you again for watching all of our recipes, and if you have any things that you feel like we missed, you're like, oh, you should have done this with the food, then let us know down below and tell us your favorite ways to use all of these wonderful foods. So,
yay!
Thanks again for
cheers.
Watching, and yeah, let's do our green smoothie cheers. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Cheers!
Cheers!